NutriChef 54-piece cookware set review. Ceramic non-stick cookware. If you're outfitting a kitchen from scratch or replacing a mishmash of pans, the NutriChef 54-piece cookware set promises a complete, blush pink, non-stick refresh in one box. For an exclusive discount price on this product, click the link in the description and get the best price. In this summary, we distill our full review into what matters most for smart buyers: reliability, durability, performance, ease of use, and ease of setup. The set's ceramic-coated pressed aluminum pots and pans heat quickly and evenly, helping eggs, pancakes, and delicate fish release with minimal oil while cutting cleanup time to a quick rinse. Tempered glass lids let you monitor simmering without lifting, fewer boilovers, and comfortable handles make one-hand pours less stressful. Beyond cookware, you get coordinated bakeware, utensils, cutting boards, aprons, small gadgets, and a knife set that surprised us by arriving sharp and staying that way through daily prep. Compatibility is a quiet win. The main pieces work on gas, electric, and induction cooktops. Note, the small egg pan and milk pot aren't induction ready. That makes this bundle friendly for renters, students, and anyone who might move homes. The lightweight build is a plus for draining pasta or transferring a sauce pot, and the non-stick helps reduce stuck-on messes when you're racing through weeknight dinners. Strengths you'll notice fast: speed and control. Even heating at medium/medium-low reduces scorching and hot spots. Low-effort cleanup. Ceramic release plus a soft sponge equals done. All-in-one readiness. From sheet pan dinners to muffins, the included bakeware covers common recipes out of the gate. Knife set value. Surprisingly sharp and dependable for everyday chopping. Trade-offs and simple fixes. A long-term owner noted cosmetic wear, dark food marks, grease tinge, and easy scratching after months of daily cooking. The good news: performance stayed strong. To keep appearances fresh, cook mostly on medium heat. Wipe exterior spills promptly. Use silicone/wood/nylon utensils, no metal. Hand wash with a non-abrasive sponge, and stack with pan protectors or towels. These habits take seconds and dramatically extend both the look and life of ceramic non-stick. To get testimonials from previous buyers so you can make a smart decision, click the link in the description below. Who it's ideal for: new kitchens, registries, short-term rentals, style-minded cooks who want everything to match, and busy families who need multiple pans and trays cleanly organized. Who should consider alternatives? High-heat searing fanatics. Stainless or cast iron is better for daily 600 degrees Fahrenheit moments, and anyone unwilling to follow the simple non-stick care routine. Bottom line, the NutriChef 54-piece set delivers real everyday value. Fast, even cooking, low-effort cleanup, and a genuinely complete toolkit that reduces missing piece frustration. Treat the ceramic kindly, and you'll keep both performance and the blush pink aesthetic looking party-ready through holidays and beyond. Don't miss the opportunity to get this product at its lowest price. Click the link in the description below today.